Dear friends, we are coming to the second operation on a linked list, that is adding a node at the end of a given linked list. That is, we have a linked list created, let's say P with n number of nodes, here 3. I'm going to add a new node at the end of this list, which means P is my list number 1, which we have done, P equal to create n. I've created a node. So in order to create a node here, I need to come here and connect to the new node that I've created. So let's see how this operation is done. So first we have this statement which creates, we have seen, so the node is created, the last node is ending with null. Then I'm going to create a new node called R. So let's forget about the connections. Let's just imagine there is a node that is going to be created called R. So tab number 2, 3, 4 works. So R equal to get node. So a new node is created and it reads a value 0. Of course, if you want to keep the sequence, you can put 4 the value, and this is going to be the last node in the final list when it is added. So I have to make R next to the last pointer to null. That means not pointing anywhere. That's the last node. So R next equal to null. So step number 2, 3, 4 explains this operation. Then now what I need to do is I need to come on my previous node or the last node of the previous list so that my connections can take place. So if I'm going to move my P, I can lose track of my beginning. So in order to keep track of the beginning of the list, I'm going to keep another pointer at the beginning so that I can move that pointer and keep the P intact. So Q is placed here. That is step number 5. Q equal to P. So Q is going to point where P is also pointing, and I'm going to move that pointer till I reach my last node. So that is step number 6. I'm going to move my Q based on a condition that is traversing. I'm going to traverse while Q next not equal to null. This is Q. Q next is not null. So first time it will move to the second node. Here too Q next not equal to null. So second time it will move to the third. Now when I reach this node, Q next is null. So I cannot go inside Q next. So the loop ends. The sixth statement Q, and Q is on this node now. So imagine what happens when step number 6 is over and the statement is finished. It will come to step number 7. So the linking takes place. Q next, I'm here, Q next is this, Q next is going to be connected to R. So Q next equal to R. So this connection takes place, Q next. And I know where is the beginning, it is P, so I am returning P back because P is still remaining, and of course using the algorithm print P, I can print the list 1, 2, 3 and of course 0 here in the sequence of the nodes, having inserted a new node at the end of the existing list. Thank you.